So today is Caravan repair day and I'll show you my problem. This has been leaking. The strip under there, I can get this wee plastic tool right underneath, and it seems to be running the tracking down the back there. It's been damp at the bottom, so we'll have a go at this. See what I mean? That goes right under there, so I'm presuming right the way through. But that's where the water's getting in. So I'm going to use this wire. I'll hold it either side and pull it through and hopefully cut the silicone without damaging too much. So I found this is a bit more efficient, to be honest. I think it's for removing grout. It seems to work a bit better. Find the right method. Wedge it up with this plastic tool and then slide this back and forward. That seems to be the best, quickest way. Just a case of this. Either side, move that up a bit, work my way along, so I'm getting there. Oh, I think I might have found the source of our water ingress. If you look there, that's wet along there. Okay, so that's it off, and I think it's been getting in here. There's a big gap. You can see the dirt's get in there and the spider came out, and it seems to have been tracking along there, down there, along there and down there, and there's another dodgy bit at the end, so that wasn't too bad as I thought, but now I've got to clean it off. And as you can see, in some bits the silicone are mastic, there's barely any on it. Thick in some bits and hardly any in other bits. To make matters worse, there's see a crack there, but I saw on that YouTube channel the Caravan placed this hot staple gun, brilliant bit of kit. Put them on, heats them up very quickly. You get a pair of snips, snip these off, and then you get another one of the staples and you just smooth all the plastic off. So I think that's been my major problem for the water ingress. That's me finished at last. It's about 20 past 4, but I'm quite pleased with myself. Put a thicker bit of plastic on. I use Sikaflex 522 or something like that, and it's wider as well, so it'll give it a better coverage, and it managed to cover the crack up at the end, so hopefully that will do and see me out.